Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today we've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. Man, that one stuck. I was trying to hold it together through the intro. Thanks so much to the people who sent this to me, which is going to be very apparent here in just a moment. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. This is a heavy box. There's a lot of stuff in here, and I believe with all my heart that everything is available right now. Why do I say that? Because this package was sent to me by BladeHQ. They asked if they could send a box with a whole bunch of interesting stuff, and I said sure. And they told me everything that they were sending, and it all sounded like fun stuff. And it's been a while since I've actually checked out anything from. That's funny. It's been a while since I've checked out anything, that was directly from BladeHQ. So we obviously have a few different things here. We've got a Gerber, got a couple of what look like Kalashnikovs, and then there's something from CRKT. So I will link, whatever this stuff is, I will link it all right down in the description so you guys can check it out. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that is entirely up to you. I think we should start here with the Gerber, because this looks like a fixed blade. It says 112. Okay. Gerber Prodigy. All right. Let's take a look and see what we've got. Oh boy, it's a big... Oh, I know what this is. Yeah. I actually looked at this just the other day. What is the name of this? It's not... Maybe I just said it. This is the USA. Is it the strong arm? Is that what it is? Or am I dumb? Boy, it does feel good though. That handle, it does feel good. I wonder what the blade steel is. I don't know. Maybe perhaps 1095. It's coated, right? I'm not really sure. But yeah, this will actually get used. This is going to get used by me. So that's really cool. I kind of figured that the handle would be extremely comfortable, and it is. It's very comfortable. There's a breaker on the back. I don't know that I'll ever personally use that. I have to imagine, yeah, the breaker has to be part of the tang. So this would be full tang. I don't know if it kind of comes down, K-bar style or K-bar style, however you say that, right? Where it kind of tapers in and comes down. I would imagine, obviously, it's not the same width as the blade because there are parts where where this handle sort of tapers in right before the palm swell. It suggests that the tang has to get a little thicker, right? Good looking fixed blade though, for sure. Portland, USA. So that's a USA made fixed blade. Very nice. That's nice because that's legitimately one that I was interested in checking out for myself. Nice little sheath there. For me, if I use a fixed blade, I usually don't attach because it's a pretty quick, right, kind of thing. So I usually just kind of like carry the sheath with me and lay it down wherever it is that I'm working. Let's look at the CRKT next. I would very much like to see. Is there something here? The Squid XM. Okay. All right. Let's take a look here. Squid XM. Is this the Burnley? Yeah, I think so. So it's a frame lock squid, most likely steel. And then we have micarta, which means it's not going to be an expensive knife. What do we have here? Burnley design. I don't know what the actual steel is. No reason for a lock bar insert because we have a steel frame lock. I mean, it feels like the squid, and the squid is a very, very popular knife. It is usually, like if you sort by most popular, it's very likely that not too far down, you will find the squid. And just like the other squids that I have handled, the thumb studs feel like they're in the right place. The flipper tab works. The detent feels good. And can we reverse flick it? We absolutely can. I'm not a huge fan of steel frame locks, and I'm becoming less of a fan of exposed frame locks. But that's just me. putting my nose in the air to things as I climb the ladder of the knife enthusiast, right? So you don't have to listen to me if you don't want to. But I do like the kind of blue jeans micarta there and the coated blade, right? The fit and finish on this looks good. I don't know exactly where CRKT is making this one. Does it say? Perhaps. It doesn't. Yeah, it's made in China. So, I mean, I kind of figured. But their Chinese OEM, whoever they are, certainly seems to be substantially better now than it was years ago, for sure. So, there we go. Next up, we have the two, what I'm guessing are Kalashnikovs. I don't know. You ask, why do you think that? Because of the case? Yes. Because I'm inquisitive. Okay, so we have the, this is actually, oh wait. What is this? Why does it have a flipper? Wait, what is happening? Okay, I'm stupid. That's what's happening. I'm an idiot. Newsflash for everybody. My God. My brain stopped working. It came to a complete halt. So dumb. I thought, this is what my stupid brain thought was happening. I thought this was because it's an automatic, right? And I was like, it has a flipper tab and it's an auto. So you have to release the lock or it's assisted and push on the flipper tab so that the spring can take over. Why? No, it's a button lock flipper Kalashnikov, which is actually pretty cool. So this is D2, and then we have kept everything else the same. That's really interesting that they did that. I couldn't imagine that these are hyper expensive either. If you've ever enjoyed the idea of owning the Kalashnikov, but laws in your area have prevented you from owning it due to its automatic nature, well, you have the option for a manual button lock version, which I have to say actually works really well. D10 feels really good. Now that I have figured out, now that I've done extensive research in order to understand how this mystical future bladed apparatus operates. My God. Really, really dumb. But yeah, an interesting knife, and they have that dagger ground blade. So, I mean, it's not a true dagger, right? It's just, you could call it a wide, full bayonet, right? Unsharpened swedge. And then what do we have for the other one? This one is somebody at BladeHQ decided they wanted to go ahead and open that. This one's still this is still sealed, so we gotta break the seal there. And then let's see what we got. Oh, do we have a double seal? We do have a double seal. Yeah, it's good to know that these are fortified from BladeHQ. Okay. And what do we have here? We have another one, but this one is coated instead of sort of the acid wash, which is also cool. These are nice. And you know what I like about these? For a second there, I thought this was sharpened. I'm sorry. My brain's not done being stupid. It's not done yet. No, I actually just fully comprehended how stupid that was. My brain just now told me that the top of this was sharp. This is the most confusing knife in existence to me. Can you imagine? What's the sound effect? Oh. Just me like trying to understand the pushing this, and then it comes out like that would be the new auto feature, and this is sharp while having the swedge stick out of the. All right. Sorry. BladeHQ is like, why did we send this stuff to this guy? Why would we send this idiot this box of simple tools? Okay, these are neat. I like these. And assuming that they keep them, keep the price where I would guess that they would be. I mean, the Kalashnikovs have never been expensive knives. If you don't know this, the Boker Kalashnikov automatic is still, to this day, if somebody asks me, I need a budget side opening automatic knife, what do I do? It's the Boker Kalashnikov. It has been for the entirety, the entirety of this channel's life, over 5.5 years, and it's been popular well before that. So yeah, that's still the one I recommend. It has never been super duper expensive, and I doubt that it is now, because it's been a bit since I've handled it. But I would venture to guess that these are right around the same price. So, oh, you know what? They fixed it. Well, fixed. They don't have the bacon clip anymore. So, while, excuse me, this style of clip is not my favorite thing in the whole world, and it does have a little bit of a bill. At least it doesn't go straight up, right? It's shorter, and it is not the bacon clip, which is absolutely an improvement over, the previous Kalashnikov clips. Now, if they would just smooth out these extra things, you give us one lock-in index finger area right here, that's fine. But if they would smooth this out, can you imagine? That'd be great. Cool, though. Definitely. So check all this stuff out at BladeHQ. I will link it all down in the description. I don't know about the squid. The new flipper button lock Kalashnikovs, which I literally didn't know existed until just now. When they told me what they were sending, I saw the word Kalashnikov and I thought, oh, it's some variation of Kalashnikov. That's fine. I didn't realize it was a totally new model. So these will get full comprehensive reviews a few weeks down the road. Thanks again to BladeHQ. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoyed all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.